How to search for line drawings on Google. I'll guide you through the steps to find exactly what you're looking for. Let's get started. Open Google Search. Navigate to Google Images. You can search anything you want. Then click on Advanced Search Tools. Click on Type and select Line Drawing. Once you find a line drawing you like, click on the image to view it in full size. To download and save the image, right-click on it and select Save Image As. Now you know how to search for line drawings on Google. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.